Hello, this is Decadent Agad Clark Harlansby. So today we will talk about the interview guide, family and marriage in the Philippines. Part 1. Starting a family. How did you meet your partner? My mother said that before she works at the Singapore as a DH. And then when the day that my mom took the day off, she went to go out and eat dinner and go to places. And for my father is a seafarer, and their ship stayed in Singapore, and my father got a chance to go out in the ship and explore in the Singapore, and suddenly they met each other. My mother and dad speak each other and getting to know each other, and until the day passed, my father and mother became couple, and that they started their story as a boyfriend and girlfriend. What were the traditional custom or practices related to the courtship you followed? My father followed the old tradition like ligaw, harana. He did that to my mother. Number 2, marriage. Can you describe your wedding? Were there any elements unique to Filipino culture? Their wedding is just a simple, and yes, there were some old tradition. Part 2. Early years of marriage. Number 1. What were some of the biggest adjustments you had to make as a newly couple? That they should have they adjusted their time with each other and making it a wonderful family. Number 2. How did you manage conflicts or disagreement in your marriage? So it was good because my mother knows how to spend her money, and she thinks before on buying some things. Number 2. How did you manage your finances as a couple? They just fix it together. What strategies did you use to budget and save your money? The strategies of my mother on saving her money is that she always thinks before buying the product or things that be useful to my mother. Number 3, support system. How important was the family support in your early marriage? My mother said that it was good because both of them support each other. Did you receive any advice or assistance from your parents or in-laws? Yes, a lot. Being a couple is a bit hard before because it was the first time my mother and father, so they asked an advice in my mother's mother. Part 3, parenting. Number 1, starting a family. How did you decide when to have a children. My mother decided to have a children after they got married. Number 2 question. What were your thoughts and feelings when you found out you were expecting your first child? My mother feels nervous because it was her first time to have a child and didn't know a thing on taking care of a child. So she asked for an advice of my father's mother. Number 2 question. Parenting challenges. What were the biggest challenges you face as a new parent? The challenge is that when I was a child before, I was sick, always getting sick. So my mother finds a way to make me cure, and it was her first time and didn't know anything about it. So she asked for advice of my father's mother, and they decided to bring me in the hospital so I can be treated already. Number 2 question. How did you balance work and family life? By doing some family bonding and going out for dinner, spending time together. Number 3 question. Cultural practices. Number 1 question. Did you follow any Filipino tradition or custom when raising on your child? Yes, because when my mother raised me as a child before, she always taught me about the Filipino tradition, and she raised me as a good and nice child. Number 2 question. How did you teach your children about the cultural heritage? My mother teach me about the cultural heritage based on her experience, because it is like generation to generation. So the mother of my mom teach my mom, and my mom teach me. So part 4. Reflection and advice. Number 1. Looking back. What are some of the most memorable moments from your early years of marriage and parenting? Based on my mother said in the interview that the most memorable moments for her as a mother is when she hears me talk my first word, and my first word is mom. It brings so much joy to my mother hearing me speaking that word. Is there anything you wish you had done differently? Based on my mother's interview that she answered. Number 2. Advice for the next generation. What advice would you give to your children about marriage and starting a family? Based on my mother's answer in the interview, that you should work hard so that when the time is right and your future wife and son will not suffer, because in today's generation, my mom always tells me that you should be prepared for this generation, because the new generation today is hard, because it becomes reality. how can they prepare for the challenges of married life and parenthood? By always giving them advice about marriage life and being a parent. Marriage life or being a parent is a bit hard because it's not like when you are a teenager that you don't have a problem about yours. You don't have a problem except of yourself. When you are a couple or marriage, your problem is on how to feed your future wife and future son, and always thinking on how to earn money. Number 3, values and lessons. What values or lessons do you hope to pass on to your children regarding family relationship? My mother and father said that you should always prepare for the future and don't waste it, because my mother and father planned me to have a brighter future, so that when the time is right for me to have my future wife or my future son, if they demand something, and I will directly give them what they want. How important is it for them to maintain cultural tradition in their own family? It is important for my future family because my mother is always telling me about the cultural tradition, and this is by passing it through generation to generation. That's all